Hey guys, it's your nature girl back at it again with another nature vlog. Today our vlog takes us to our grand fishing trip. Come along. It's the fishing team, we outside! So we had to get up early in the morning and we drove over to Port Royal. Yes, this is the Port Royal. As you can see, there's a lot of boats. It was like probably 4:30 in the morning. So we hired ourselves a captain to take us
Which one
out.
do I go on?
So here we are
When
searching for a
Oh, see,
captain.
man.
It was pretty
Yeah.
dark.
No.
I'm so excited for this.
Where him go? Alright, in this down here, sir.
And we're off.
Ready, son?
Ready to go. Me and the crew.
You ready, me?
Now this boat is what you'll call a scull boat. I actually own a boat, but I've never been out to sea. You know, I own a fishing boat, but this is my first time going out to fish, to actually fish on a fishing boat.
Ooh, yeah.
Outside it's cool.
We going fishing.
Relaxing in the early morning. The sky looks beautiful. The sea is calm. It's a really good day for fishing.
We outside.
I think it was like about $4,000 per person. Not sure, I don't remember, but it wasn't that expensive. We got our life vest, we got bait, we got lines. We actually took our lines, but we didn't get to use them. Captain Morgan provided us with lines, so we just did it freehand.
What kind of fish catch out there?
That's Captain Morgan right there. Let it down slowly, man.
So when they
Between your legs on the floor.
you say you don't catch
Not like oversized fish. Yeah. Mike's first catch.
Mike made the first catch. The fish weren't that big, but we still had a really
Your
good
first catch,
time.
baby. Let's go.
We were so excited.
Oh my
We
God.
were like kids in a candy store.
Mike is like, he makes noise. Look at my fishes go. Let's go. I know. No melon. Pull him, Paul, and say,
Yeah, man.
pull him, Paul, pull him. Pull him.
We caught a few of these puffer fish, but they
Okay.
say they're poisonous. So we had to keep throwing them back each time. These fish are so swift and strong. They grab your bait and run off before you can even pull them in sometimes.
Come in, pussy. Come in.
Let's go.
Come in.
Picture,
I
huh?
always take time bringing them up because it's kind of frightening because they after a while. How what is? Bombard, come on.
Him come on. And him name off your bait.
No, it's
So now when you catch my So I was excited to make my first catch. And I especially wanted that one for myself, fried and put between two slices of bread. My very first catch.
Yeah, jump around, nigga. Yeah. That's my guy. Easy na snapper catcher. Easy.
We had to run off from our little fishing spot because the police came. So we had to find a clean spot. Melona got seasick from all the screaming, but she was okay.
Can we fish in peace? Police a land, police a sea. God damn it.
All in all, we had a good time and a good
the catch
catch.
not so bad.